So welcome back. I'm Chef Elmer. So today, gagawa tayo ng Lengua Estofado. Ang ingredients na kailangan natin ay dila ng baka, dapat na palambot na and na sliced, flour, onion, garlic, vinegar, canned tomato, soy sauce, bay leaf, beef cubes, sugar, mushroom button, green olive, black olive, red wine, and stock. So itong stock is yung pinagpakuluan ng lengua. So let's start. So the first step is we need to dredge the sliced lengua sa flour. So just slightly dredge it, then pat the excess. So after nyo madredge sa flour yung sliced lengua, we need to brown it sa oil. So i-brown natin slightly. Once it's brown, transfer it in a clean plate. After browning your sliced lengua, isaute na natin ang garlic and onion. Just saute your onion until soft. Then add in the garlic. Once your garlic and onion is aromatic or medyo mabango na, okay, add your diced tomato. Then add in your vinegar, soy sauce, red wine, cubes, and bay leaf. Then slightly mix it. Then add in the sliced lengua. Once you add your sliced lengua, mag-add din ng 1 cup ng stock. Then you need to simmer this until thickened. Once your sauce start thickening, add in the olive and mushroom. Then season it with salt and pepper. Once your sauce is already thick and your lengua is already tender, pag malambot na, ready na yan to serve. So we're done with our lengua estofado. We could add cheese to enhance the flavor. Thank you and enjoy.